Euro USD, or GBP rather. Okay, so I would not want to waste too much of our time. I would have loved to make the back test from here or from here, but let's just talk about this recent buy that is going, this current buy that is going. We, as you can see on the board here on the screen, you can see this buy uh started from here. Now, where is this thing reacting from? Where is price coming from, and where is price going to? Now, this is what we are going to do right now. We'll check where price is coming from and where price is going to. So I'll be quoting from here. Yeah, I'll be quoting from here. So on higher time frame, we can see we have this I. We have this I, and we have this low. So we have our range already. So we'll be working with range. This back testing. We have our range already. So, and we have what's our breaker. So price is coming from this breaker. So how do we join this trade to get this high? We're reading this high. And as some of you here know, I work with range. So now to range was to read this high. So I mostly work on 1 hour to see the overall trend, and the rest is 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Since I've gotten my overall trend, so I have no business with higher time frame anymore. So let's start. I'm not a fan of gold. I don't trade gold, but because you guys voted for gold, we have to work on it. All right, so price has gotten to our point of interest. Price has gotten to our point of interest. Now, using my strategy, we have on 15 minutes, we have this sweep, and we have this break of market structure. So we have this break of market structure. Yeah. And we have liquidity. So right here, I'll be working with range. Let me check my 5 minutes range, where I'll be targeting for my final TP. All right. So since these are counter trend, any sell we have here won't stay for long. So I'll just try to look for buy, and I have liquidities up here that I'll be targeting. So I'll be targeting this liquidity. We have many liquidity here, but I'll look at the main one I need to target first. Now I have another swing from here. I have this sweep. I have this sweep here. I have a break. So this is another liquidity for me to target. Because I have a range here. This is sweep and a break of market structure. So this is liquidity lying around the range. So these are the liquidity I'm targeting. And this will be my final TP. But let's follow range first. So now this will be my first TP for this. First TP for this. So We have a take of this loop first. Okay. So we have a read first. And I don't need to bother myself to start looking for the reason why I have a take out of this loop. There's something we call reliquidation. Maybe this is what price did here, so I don't care. So, and this is another high, and we have a break of market structure. So let's move to 15 minutes time frame. So we have liquidity right here. So I expect the price to come back. So let's see. Okay, now I found something. This is a reclaim candle. This is a reclaim candle. It's either price use year or year, but I will wait here first. I'm going to wait here first and see. The reason why I'll be waiting here is because price has already broken this leg, and we have this reclaim candle, and liquidity has been built above it. So this will be more valid than the last low. Right. So to be more valid than the last low, then we have liquidity. So we have liquidity. Yes, properly. I think they should. All right. Still targeting the same range, the same CP. I'm trying to rush because of our time. So I'm going to admit till we reach 20. After 20, I'll stop. So let's see. All right. Price is already approaching the point of interest. And finally, price was mitigated a point of interest, and we have our final TP. So now let me check my 15 minutes and see what I'll be having. Yeah. So we have the final TP, and we have this void. And between this void, let me check if this is happening around the 50%. So to know if I'll be making use of this or coming back lower. All right. Exactly the 50%. So I'll be using this flip for my continuation. But I'm going to wait if we are going to have liquidity. If I don't have liquidity, then I won't make use of it. Okay, I think I have liquidity on lower time frame. Sorry, please. Don't mind the way I'm marking this thing. All right. So This is liquidity here. Then where am I targeting next? Fine, I know we are going higher, but at first I need to start targeting the liquidity around my range. So all this liquidity are what I'll be targeting at first. All right. Since this is around the 50%, so there's no reason why I need to doubt it. The first take profit here and the last take profits right here. Okay. We check if okay, there's liquidity here and there's a point of interest around here. So I'm looking for something that price will react from to reject. I have liquidity here that now I mostly work with liquidity because if price did not take out liquidity, I won't anticipate for any retracement at all until I see a take of one particular liquidity. So this is one liquidity and we have a break of market structure already. So going back to my 5 minutes. Price is reacting to this first and let me see if I have a sweep and break. Okay, this is liquidity. Another liquidity is here. So let's see if we have a continuation from this area just to take out the final liquidity. And this is sweep and this is a strong leg. Final liquidity. This place will still be what it is still valid because price has not filled the 50%, but I'm looking for a way to follow the continuation just to take out the final liquidity, trading order flow. All right. Okay. So let's just do it this way. Okay, for this liquidity to be taken out. And first, before I have a full retracement part to this area. And Basel. Okay. Since I have the final liquidity taken out, then I need a full retracement. Now, coming back to this 50%. Back to this 50%. This SSL must still be taken out. Yeah. This SSL must still be taken out. So let me just remove this. But now I'll be buying from here. Okay. Let's have, what can we see here? Let's work with range. We have this swing low and this high. Is this a strong high or this as a strong low? We don't know. So let's check. I have this sweep and a break. Okay. I have liquidity here. So I'm going to continue the buy from here. but I won't go higher. The reason why I'm not going higher is I already have a stake of this liquidity. So I need a retracement. But since I don't have a strong eye yet, this eye must be taken out. Then, so I expect some price to do something like this. Maybe this price should take out this eye, then give me a proper structure to follow the ride, then coming to this place before we have a push up. So let's see if you have inspired something like this. So since we have this strong leg, this is not a strong guy, this is a strong leg, and it has liquidity. So I'm going to take this, but won't go higher than this eye. This is the nearest weak eye, and I'm around liquidity area. So price has already cleared the liquidity here, the sellers here already. We have sell stop, we have buy stop here and sell limit. So price has already taken them out. So what price we do here is just to come lower, to run away with the money. But since we don't have a strong guy, so let me just target this place. Then let's see. Okay. Wow. Wait to people. All right. So price triggered and it stop loss then. It take profits rather, because this was news, I guess, before coming down. So I expected price to give me good confirmation for sell, but no reason to sell anymore here. After taking out this eye, price came back massive. So now at this point of interest, this is the direct risk entry. I'll be taking this risk entry, but using my strategy, I have my confirmation already. I have this as my low and this as my liquidity. Okay. And now where am I going to? The next liquidity around this range. This we have, because we have I can see a flip here, which is this is a demand, and this demand turns towards supply. So I have this information right here. Sorry. I have this information right here. So I should see itself from this area. So that was the reason I'm targeting the next liquidity around that demand zone, or sorry, supply. So like I said, any other sale we have, they won't stay for long. Some people will be targeting this blue. Meanwhile, we are trading pull trend, not the counter trend. So any sell we have will just be short time sales. So the buy is what the main trend. Okay. All right. So now there's another confirmation entry here. After we have these sweep and break uh price racket to this other block immediately. So these are other confirmation for people that use this kind of entry. But I don't use this kind of entry. This is the type of entry I use. So now this is where we are going to. The first TP will be here, because this is a weak high. So I should not expect any sell from here again, because I don't have a strong structure. I was expecting price to give me a sweep, a break, and liquidity for me to be able to take this sell before we get to this main point. But since price has gotten to this point before giving this confirmation here, so any sell I have here was we feel going higher. All right. Another zoom here. Sorry. So I have zooms over here and I have liquidity. So price should at least try retrace back to here. We are using Zoom, so we don't have much time. So I need to rush. I need to rush this. The last one we did, we used Telegram, so that quality is very, very bad. Yeah, I think I've seen another entry right here. I think I've seen another entry right here. So this is not going to be valid anymore. We have moved to another what? To another range. What can I see here? Okay. I have this demand. Yeah, this demand, and I have liquidity built around it. So, and this. So let's see if this piece is going to hold. First TP and second and the last target. Yeah. So all right. I have another break. So that means I have a new range from this low. Then I am waiting for a range high. Waiting for your range high. All right. Around this range, I have my QM, which is my Quasimodo. This is a new range where price should come to. Yeah, price needs to come here, back here. All right, let's continue. If we are going to have a retracement back, then I'll look for confirmation around it and continue the buy. All right. So now, what price did there was we have this break of market structure and this high, this area. There was liquidity built around here. So I think price clear this place, but this is not the kind of structure I use. I want to see it clearly. I want to see this leg sweep something. So let's just leave this place alone and follow the normal thing. Yeah. Okay. Price took out this move. But at this point, I don't need to bother. I don't need to bother myself. Right. Okay. That's And at this area, I think I have this point of interest. And around this, what can I see? Equal high. Equal high. So price should want this place a little bit, then give a sell confirmation. And I'll be what? Selling to my main swing point, which is around this area. So because I have a range low, well, waiting for a range high to be what? To be formed. All right, so let me just mark this place out. Once price take out this place and give me confirmation, I'll be looking for a long sell. So take out this liquidity. Is this really liquidity on 5 minutes time frame? Okay, yeah. Sell side liquidity. So take out the sell side liquidity. So let's see if we are going to have a sell structure. So price should take out this high first. Okay. You have a take, and let me wait for the proper confluence. Okay. I have my sweep, which is my hunt. And I have a break already and liquidity. Okay, fine. So it should be a sell from this high and to take out this sell side liquidity. Why am I going long? We have 10 minutes more. Why am I going long to this area? Because I'm within a strong range on higher time frame also. This is a strong range on what? On higher time frame. This is strong a sweep and liquidity. So, or here I should see a long sell from here also, but not to take out this previous low, the last low here. No, the target is this high. So let me rush it because of our time. Okay. Another liquidity has been formed here. So I think make use of this. All right. Okay. Okay. I have another range. This was the sweep and a break. So I need liquidity to make this area valid, this whole point of interest. Okay, now I have liquidity already. So I should see something like this. Let's see. Oh no. Oh, now mitigate. Okay, let's analyze using my strategy is sweep, first break, and second break. This is my second break. All right. So this will still be taken out. This is my structural liquidity. So this structural liquidity will still be taken out. So this should happen. The first break, the second break, and all right, yes. All right, yeah. Then my OB, this candle is my other block. Why? It should this last candle, last opposite candle. So I'll be using this Wow. Yeah, correct. Okay. We go into this sell side liquidity and expecting price to, because this is my range low and my range high. So around my internal structure, I have this QA. So there's more reason why I should be waiting for this. Many reasons. But I've checked every entry here, but because of our time and Zoom give us minimum time. That was the reason why I'm not even bothering to analyze this place. All right. We are here. So the liquidity has been taken out. So we need now buy entry. Buy entry. All right. So I have a sweep. I have a sweep. So I need liquidity to take this entry on my liquidity already. And this area of transaction is an area of transaction. So should I be buy from here? Let me just use my liquidity. And after this, I'm going to send new link for gold for GBP. Sorry. So this I must be taken out. This very high as my first TP and this last I, this range has been used already. So we have another range and this is the liquidity around the new range. So this also will be my final target. All right. So I did not come back. Let's see if I'm going to have another structure on. Okay. This liquidity and this is liquidity. Is this really liquidity? Sweep and break. Okay. All right. This reacted to a breaker. So now we have this entry right here. Oh, I miss it, sharp. Okay, let's look. This reacted to a breaker. But since I did not see it as first, this is gone. And now I'll be anticipating for price to come back here. Confirmation entry. Yeah, this must be taken out. Must be taken out and we have 2 minutes more. So let me rush with this. This is not coming back again. But okay, I think I have another flip. I can see this clearly. I have another sweep here. So this place, I need liquidity. Okay, liquidity has been built around it. So trading order flow, I don't need the price to be retracing every time. I just need short retracement. So we have 2 minutes more to go. All right. Okay. Yeah. I have a sweep, a break, and where's my liquidity? I have another liquidity here. 1 minute, 45 seconds. So another entry, another confirmation entry. Or probably I'll send new link and finish this, then continue with the GU. I don't know yet. Fine. Can you see? Can you see? All right. So let me save this for you guys. We have limited time. So let me save this for you guys. Now we are waiting for price to take out this range. So I think I'm going to stop here because of time. I'm around the range already, so there's a point of interest around there that you see a sweet sell from. Well, I think I'm going to stop here on GBP, on gold. On gold, I'm going to stop here because of our time. So I'll send a new link for GBP USD. Thank you very much.